Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
Reseller Road Trip Adventures still alive. Donald also still alive. Lindsay's here. Alex, the Dane Mom, Vicky, of course. And then I see that Brooklyn, you got your name back? How'd you do that? Whose dick did you suck? Oh, be careful. Oh, that's why we have the intro music. I hear YouTube daddies banning people left, right, and center. Hi guys. I hope everybody's doing well. John, you're not pink. Vicky is. I don't know what she's gonna ride about with that. How you gonna do that, Vicky? When you stole it. Oh, something on my screen looks different. That's exceptionally annoying, but we don't know what it is, so we'll figure it out together. It took 14 days. 14 days! Oh my god. It's 20 minutes after 4:20, 21 after 4:20, which is close enough for me, and it should be for ye. You'll see. Hi, Adam. Okay, let's just watch a little bit of court. I'd like to thank Cellulite Yoga Pants for giving me absolutely no excuses. Row 7 is a, they sell food, and it's like a really fancy restaurant. It's pretty good shit. Actually, I have this, sweet garlic that I might cook up for Christmas. Oh my god, Erica, 21 months. Thank you so much for your... Jesus fucking Christ, Donald. Don't even let me get Erica's thank you out. Love you, thank you, Erica. And then Donald swooping in 15 months. Amazing. You also can buy these in your grocery stores, I believe. It's a tinned vegetable. Not canned. It's tinned. That's what it is. It's got its beautiful insert package, which we love. We love, we love, we love. And so I was thinking I might even make a quiche with this sweet garlic. So this is sweet garlic, which is a specialty blend of like garlic and green onion, I think. Fine, I will read what the thing says. I will break this for you guys so that we can read it together, okay? Okay? Oh my god. This is like Steve 1989 MRE. If you fucking know, you know. Okay. It's garlic and leek. A cross between garlic and leek. So it says, sweet garlic emerged from the unexpected, a delicious marriage of garlic and leek no one thought was possible. And that's Chef Dan Barber, who I met and who cooked me dinner. It was so delicious, by the way. And he is the co-founder of this company, Row 7. This is not a sponsorship, obviously. Duh. Anyways, but so have you ever wondered what would happen if garlic and leek had a baby? We did. The result of this love match, sweet garlic, marries the sweetness of leeks with the mellow, savory notes of garlic. And it says the chef's suggestions: serve on your favorite crusty bread or add to a grilled cheese. Toss with warm fettuccine and olive oil. Finish with Parmigiano Reggiano and lemon zest. Or use sweet garlic and its oil as a garnish for roasted fish or grilled steak. I believe that you can purchase these at some grocery stores in America. I had to bring mine across the border. It is so fucking good. I had this when I had this fancy dinner, and oh my god. But it says here, so many ways to eat your veggies in a salad, on your pasta, or right out of the tin. And you can check out their website at row7seeds.com. I should be their Canadian correspondent. I sort of am already. They don't know it yet. But I did enjoy, I had such a lovely dinner there. We had in a salad on your pasta. Oh, I know, I say pasta funny, but it's the way it is. It's the way it is. Anyways, we had the most amazing, delicious dinner. And every part of it was grown, basically, like, or developed by the chef. He was amazing, but I actually sat beside his wife the entire night, and that was a treat. That was a treat. I really enjoyed our conversation that night. Very fun. Once in a lifetime opportunity. Thanks for reminding me about that, guys. They sell it on Amazon, Brooklyn? Really? Well, shit, guys. You guys should go check that out. Anyways, I appreciated my experience there. What a great time. And speaking of great time, hey, Brooklyn, it's top-notch Michelin star quality. That's the reality. Travel by Flu Powder. You can get it at some Whole Foods. You can get it at, if you look in Whole Foods in the Northeast, you should be able to see Row 7. And I have the seeds as well to grow some of the vegetables that I tried. But I'm positive that in the fresh vegetable section, and they're selling the tins in that in the fresh vegetable section, interestingly enough. Okay, guess what? We're gonna watch some Court. I was saying, hi Paul. I was saying to myself and others, mostly myself, tutorial for cheesecake. Erica, you are in luck. Am I gonna make 2 cheesecakes then? I think I am. I'm making cheesecake for Christmas. Actually, I ordered our entire Christmas dinner today. Guess, does anybody want to guess how much it costs? A dinner for 10 to 12, including turkey, a fully cooked turkey. I would love to hear your guesses while we get going on Court, as I've talked for fucking 10 minutes. As usual. Oh my gosh, you guys. First of all, remember, I am a cheap little lady. I'm a cheap little lady. I can actually read you what it includes, which is a fair question, Erica. Let me tell you exactly what it includes. It is inclusive of a fully cooked sous vide whole turkey at 4.5 kilograms, chicken and celery stuffing 1 kilogram, which is like 2.2 pounds, traditional gravy 600 milliliters, cranberry sauce 460 milliliters, 1 kilogram of cooked root vegetables, and 1.2 kilograms of baby potatoes. The total package weight is 19.4 pounds and approximately serves 10 to 12. It's made in Canada, and it has all the ingredients here, including in the traditional gravy, just by the way, it includes duck fat. Yeah, duck fat. This is also being shipped to my door for no extra money. How exciting is that? The price was $120. 120 Canadian dollars. I don't really want to show all of that, but well, I can show you the price. It's $1.19, I promise. Oh, Ryan, I'm fine. It's called Le Chef et Moi Festive Box Turkey Dinner. And it'll be delivered on December 23rd. That's pretty good, right? Anyways, that is our Christmas dinner completely sussed out. And I'm going to make something special with the sweet garlic. And I will be making 2 cheesecakes as per request in our family. And my Nana will be making her version of stuffing, and my sister will be making sweet potatoes, and I will be bringing a cheese platter and cheesecake, because I am the cheese lady. So, now that I've officially spoken for 11 minutes, let's go ahead. Oh my god, and salad. And drinks, of course. Of course. Of course. All of these things. But most of the shit covered for that price is actually pretty good. Plus, not needing to go, very good, right? Like, you don't even need to shop for it. To me, that's a pretty good deal. I proposed it today, and I executed it today. I love it when that happens. Hello, Hector. Hello. Yeah, I executed that plan today. I saw it in my email. Costco, you got me. You got me good. You just got flirted with? Oh my god. I love it. I love getting flirted with. If you want to be with me, you're going to have to get used to people flirting with me. Because I really like it. But then I just come home to you. So don't you worry. Anyways, Josie, tell us more about it. I'm going to have to hit play here. Otherwise, we'll just sit and talk all fucking day. I know some of you have places to be, people to see. Ma'am, are you in the judge's seat? What are you talking about? What's going on? Are you cosplaying? What the heck? I like simps. What do you mean? Who's simping? What, when somebody loves on me and treats me nice? That's not simping. Actually, okay. Well, I quite obviously didn't watch this first. Holy fuck.
It is.
Judge. Oh my
Okay.
god. Can you imagine if I just waited? Oh, flirting? Yeah, flirting's not simping. Oh my god. Oh, you mean me getting flirted with and then somebody not getting some? Well, you don't know, they might not get some. What's Judge drinking? Is that from Duncan? I made cookies and crackers already, guys.
Yeah, Langston, come on in.
Yes,
Let me
sir.
grab some to show.
Beauchamp.
He's here. Come on up, Mr. Beauchamp. Good morning. Good morning.
What are we doing on this one today?
Judge, if you look at the docket sheet, it was reset for to give him time to hire Mr. Ralph Kimber.
Yeah,
And
yeah, how about that? Rice Kimler.
Fuck yeah.
He's telling me
I
that-
wasn't here
Oh,
Monday on trial docket.
well, he told me
Yeah, well, he can go hire him.
Mac, I wouldn't miss that. That's super, super flirty. Why could you never? As long as he's over 18, girl. Anyways, these are my crackers that I made. They're rye flour. Oh my god. It looks like a fucking hologram. I wish they were. First of all, thank you, Mac, for 15 months. Appreciate that. These are rye flour and regular flour sourdough crackers. They're fucking good. They are really good.
About even once, but this was something that you told me last time. You gonna hire somebody else or not?
we can speak to.
We're gonna move forward one way or the other because This thing was indicted back in July. We gotta move forward on it. You can hire anybody you want. He's hired to represent
And
you. I'm not
these
gonna
are
wait around. We're gonna move
crunchy
forward.
by request.
But you can hire somebody,
crunchy
but I'm not gonna
ginger
wait for
snap
you.
Cookies. They're like
It's an
snacks.
announcement. What do you want to do?
Judge.
You're the lawyer now unless something happens, but until that happens, you're still the lawyer. And it's an announcement.
What I would do, Judge, is
I made these for Nana. She likes crunchy cookies. So I got this recipe, and I'm gonna include 2 types of ginger cookies in my Christmas baskets this year. One will be these crunchy ones, and one will be the soft, chewy ones. Anyways, I gave some to Nana today to do a taste test. She called me and told me that they're better than the ones she gets at the British store, and she loved it. So, recipe 100% a win so far. They are really good, like really good ginger snaps. Very, very, very good. Probably the butter.
Mhm.
I was gonna actually give him Rife one more try, but if not, I'll just keep the case as though it's mine totally. And
What do you? Yeah,
Um,
that's the way to. Yeah, unless
'cause I was like-
until something else happens, you're the lawyer. But
Okay.
but we're moving forward. You know,
Hey,
I can't wait. I'm not waiting. It's the way it is. We just move forward.
no, the
What
only
do you
reason-
want to do today? It's an announcement.
Can you give us one last and final announcement and no more, and then I'll just go from there. And if he doesn't want the plea, I'll go to trial. I'll take it.
There is an offer, Judge. I just don't think they've talked about it.
Mm-mm.
That's all.
Come in.
Well, it's a time offer.
Oh.
It's not probation. He's got priors.
Well, let's see. It's a state jail felony. State jail felony
2
conviction.
years.
March of 23.
That's what I see.
March of 23.
Wait, hold on.
March of 23. It looks like it can only be enhanced to a 3rd degree, right? Because these aren't sequential. It's all, looks like
Well,
in March, he picked up 3 convictions in Orange County at one time in
Yes, sir.
23.
2 state jails, whether they're sequence or not, is 3rd degree. That's it.
Yeah. So it's a state jail felony, but it's punished as though it were a 3rd degree felony. So you're looking at up to 10 years in prison, as though it was a 3rd degree felony. You understand how that works? You have to speak up so she can hear and she can put it on the record that you're responding.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You know what? Those cookies are fucking really good. Shit. I'll post the recipe for those. That's 100% approved. They're now a day old and they are so good. Not dry at all, but completely crunchy. Oh. Oh, so good. Cracker's still working on the exact bake time. I fucked up the bake time on the first round. These ones I think I may have underbaked slightly. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm working on it. It's a trial and error week around here.
Thing. That's a yes. He's nodding.
Yes.
He's not
Yes, sir.
responding orally,
I'm sorry.
which you have to do. Yeah, she can't.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to respond orally. That's just the rules. I know you're not happy about it, but you know,
Sir.
you're in a mess. Fix it though. It's fixable. This is fixable. What's this? What's the restitution on this?
It's a good question.
I don't have any requests from the complainant yet, but
Okay, so there's none.
it says the total of the theft was $11,800.
Did they get their stuff back, Langston? Do you know?
Did they get it back with the police report?
Because
Right now?
there wouldn't be a restitution if they got the stuff.
Trailer was located on the side of a house. And I do not show about the other stuff, but at least the trailer was found.
Yeah, it
It's
said,
gotta be the large amount, right?
Trailer was $1,500. The contents was 6,000.
Oh,
So
carpet and tile.
Angela Livingston.
yes, sir. So it looks like they got the trailer back, but I don't know about the contents.
You know, Langston, if the other stuff was returned, do you know? Anybody know?
You know.
Yeah.
Looking at this police report, it looks like to me, it was, I'm looking on page 8 of the, here we go.
He says he loaned it out to somebody at the time, but it was an unknown person who he won't talk about, which doesn't help. Was his stuff. But they also have a witness showing him driving. Driving. So,
The only thing I saw is they said that the only thing that was missing from the trailer, Ramirez advised that there was a microwave missing from inside the trailer. So I'm assuming everything else was back. That's why
no, I
I'm
think
right
the
there.
trailer had something it was towing, wasn't
A
it?
microwave?
Mine.
Yeah, there's
This is.
said his trailer was $6,000-7,000. Inside the trailer was about $6,200 in furniture. Ramirez advised there was a microwave missing from inside the trailer. So I don't know if I guess it was all inside the trailer when they found the trailer. I'll double check. That's Kyle's case. I'll have her double check. She'll be back Monday.
Well, that's. That, there's a loss, the court needs to get them to pay it back. But
You
you
guys,
can't
I'm so
pay it back.
fucking dumb. I'm like sitting here going, man, these crackers are pretty good, but I feel like I forgot something. Yeah, I forgot to fucking put the holes. I talk about Bruno. I forgot to put the holes. I'm too high. Oh well. They're so good otherwise, but that's okay. I have 6 things of dough in the fridge chilling to be made into other batches. So I just gotta remember to fucking fork some holes in them. Fork and holes, fork and holes.
He's in prison.
Right.
You can only pay it back if
He's on
like
probation.
put him on like regular probation, and maybe that's something you don't want to
Well, it depends.
consider if we can get this stuff back.
With this prior, it's just hard to keep giving them probation just because they owe money. So let's just let's see if it was returned. I don't have a problem with whatever.
Okay, I'll find out.
Yes, sir.
We can do that. Just one more announcement then, Judge.
Yeah.
Let's-
Okay, get it resetting. DeMarcus Jones. DeMarcus Jones, please.
Next, Courtney.
Is that you?
Next,
Yes, sir. Who's your lawyer?
Courtney. I set up a
That's-
little baking station.
Yeah, he's not here. John Landry, you're here. Okay. Yesenia Alvarez.
Judge, that's reset. Mr. Gertz was in Montgomery County.
Raymond Renard.
That's also reset.
Is it reset? Do they need to be here though?
It looks like she reset on the court docket, so no. You're good. Yeah.
Well, Jose
Mine has a
Aguilar.
permanent spot on the countertop cellulite yoga pants. And not only that, my mixer recently got an upgrade. I changed over my coffee station to a baking station for Christmas. Oh, I am in heaven. I'll take a picture. But it is perfect. I'm very excited about that part. Oh, I'm completely encroaching upon other space. I am completely out of my zone. Let's put it that way. But everybody benefits. Nobody's upset when Paisley's cooking.
Thanks, Sir Judge. Good morning.
Jose Aguilar.
Yes, ample space for crotches, Mikey. Always. That's a priority of mine.
What is that translate?
Yes.
What do we do?
Judge, it's an initial, so I'm still waiting on my media. If I could have 4 weeks. Thank you.
Cameron Smith.
Judge, I'm in the process of talking to Miss Moore this morning. If we could just hold that to the end of docket and circle back to
Eric,
it.
okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Eric,
Loud, are you the bouncer?
Carolina?
You know, I
Yes,
recently
yes.
heard
Carolina.
about a
We're getting paid for
grocery store that has 3 bouncers. Did you know that? But you know what? Loud Mikey's check mark gets him in. You know that. You know that. Amongst other things.
For taking care of that. That was the one that was moved from last week.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Thanks, Judge.
you.
Good morning.
Caleb Mitchell. Okay.
Would you guys
So,
wait 3 hours to get
All right.
into a Would you guys wait 3 hours to get into a grocery store with bouncers in New York City? And you're allowed to lurk like perverts, or you can hang out like a pervert here. You don't even need to hide it. We accept them. We're down. We're completely down.
It will be set for trial. Who's the lawyer on that one? Mr. Ham?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it's set for trial.
Yes, sir.
And we're trying to move these a lot faster now, so especially if it involves firearms, so.
Moving things faster. We like that. Mikey, did you hear? I ordered Christmas dinner.
Okay. I get put on the trial docket. Thank you.
An all-in-one online package delivered to the door for no more than $120 for 10 people. 10 to 12, it says. 10 to 12 people. 120 Canadian. What actually is
Did you
that?
You got the
It
probable
says
cause
it's your first
affidavit, I
live stream,
presume.
your first
You have the plot.
super.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Am
sir.
I popping
I
up
just
there?
filed a motion for dismissal too. We're going to set that for hearing.
Oh yeah, sorry. This is actually something I've set up with Streamlabs, Mikey. So stickers don't come through. I'm sorry. I have to do it manually. If you want it to come through properly, you have to send it proper. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is in New York City. I heard of a place called Meadow Lane, and there is literally like hours long waits to get in, and it's a luxury grocery store. That's right, luxury. Thank you, Mikey.
For what?
Discovery, not get providing all the discovery. Not providing all the discovery.
You're filing a motion to dismiss on it?
Mhm.
Why is that?
Because
What's that?
they haven't provided all the discovery. They say they don't have it, but I know they have it. It was
Well, let's deal with that. Who's the lawyer on it?
Mr. Ham.
Who's got?
I
Caleb.
assumed we'd have a
I'm
hearing.
gonna file a motion to dismiss because he says he hadn't gotten discovery that he knows y'all have, that he, do you know anything?
There's
Do you
there's
know-
a
No, like
video
Air
of an
One,
apartment complex, that's
Hector.
what we're talking about. We do not have it. The police, he's checked with the police say they do not have it. There's what was in the report, they had video shots of it or screenshots of it. They do not have the video.
Well,
So it's not in our possession. We can't give it to him. There's no way we can get it after all this time, so he can't dismiss it because of that. He can go in and say, you don't have it.
I can ask for it.
Yeah, you can ask for it.
Yeah.
So
We'll file it and then we'll have a hearing as soon as possible,
Okay.
but. Here, set this Mitchell case for hearing in 2 weeks, so 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
my god, it worked. Thank you. Screw it. I approve of all screwing. Screws and screwing, I approve. Oh no. I made a juicy hole.
The bird puppet.
Thank you, Mikey.
Yeah, that's what I said. Unless you want more. No.
There's Agios too. And I've got. Let's see.
Yeah, you're right. I need to take that.
You know,
Okay.
your logo's like a thumbs up, Mikey.
Sure, it's in the mail.
Groovy.
When it gets here, enjoy it.
You guys postal service will never get that.
Okay, here's Kevin Mitchell, that last one.
We are.
DeMarcus Jones,
Judge, can we hold that one?
John Landry.
Always without that. Yes.
John Landry, present. Judge Evelyn. So we're let's go get that.
We can. Up 4 weeks. Reset 4 weeks
Mark
on.
Jones will hold that for a second.
Landry.
You shall send it to me, yeah. Yeah, it's,
Yeah. It's fine.
Nothing's going on in here, Nabel.
Sorry, right.
We're just hanging out.
Let me know when y'all are ready on anything y'all are working on, whatever it is.
Are you holding on this?
DeMarcus Jones.
What a chill day in court. Oh my god. This orange is so good. It's a mandarin.
Yeah. One of those kids are off. Be down to the big. We got what else? With that kind of charge.
You know what? I sure love those muffin tops. Tops of muffins are just different from the bottom.
About blueberry yesterday.
No fucking way. I will make muffin tops tomorrow just for Judge. I will do it. We're making muffin tops. Where did that come from? That was so cute. You know what? I love muffin tops.
With that kind of charge.
You know what? I sure love those muffin tops. Tops of muffins are just different from the bottom.
You said something about blueberry yesterday.
Oh yeah, Rayos.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
do you have no?
yeah, they're great. They're great. They're fine. Eat the top first, and the stump has to wait. I wait for the stump. Stump never hardens. Just kind of stays soft but that top part is just really good. It's really good. I think there was a Seinfeld episode one where they just had muffin tops. And then they were sending the stumps to the homeless people. And then the homeless people began to riot and protest that they were just stuck with the stumps.
Yeah.
And some other people were unfairly taking the tops, which was a kind of an unfair thing. I felt that pain. Because man, if those tops were gone, I wouldn't even think about a muffin. It's just amazing. Am I the only one that thinks that, or that the muffin tops are just good?
I'm not big on
They
muffins.
they're apples and oranges from the stump.
I'm not a big muffin person.
You're not?
No, they used to
Oh.
put fruit in them and I don't like the fruit.
I make a really nice
Well,
cinnamon swirl muffin.
People wonder what I think about during a docket when it gets bogged down.
Breakfast,
There it is.
think about breakfast.
Those muffin tops, boy, wish I had a few.
You didn't get any rails?
Should I
I
send? We
did.
should
Oh,
send
okay.
him a home baked
I started it off. It's
set
a
of
great
muffin
day.
tops only. I
Start off
actually
with a
have a
muffin
recipe
top.
for just the tops. You can bake just the tops. Did you know that? You can bake just the tops. Also, of course, because that's where they put all the delicious part. If you've got like a streusel on top, it's where it is. It's on top. Oh my goodness. Judge, just carrying the show today. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, CYP.
I get me a Sonic drink on the way to work.
Okay.
They're 99 cents a one.
That's a good deal.
That's a tricky maneuver. See, 99 cents. They know if it goes to 3 digits, people get scared off.
Well, it ends up with tax being $1.07 for a large drink.
That's you can't get that here in Canada
You have to
except
be in
for
a club
during
or
dollar
something?
drink days
Man.
during the
No.
summer.
Everybody has an app.
It's the Sonic Import
They have
Matrix.
to.
I don't think they all do it, but the Sonic Import Matrix is 99 cent drinks in the morning.
Man, coffee is on fire.
I drive through every morning. Like, you don't have to use an app or anything.
Hey, Dustin, are y'all working on something?
We are judging Kenesha's case. She was checking on something and so, let me see if I can get with her. Huh?
Now
Yeah,
I
we
make
got a
muffins
trial
tonight.
we got to get back into in about 10 minutes, everybody.
We do.
It's a sexual assault of a child,
Whoa.
which is
Whoa.
serious. We need to finish that before Christmas.
Judge, what the fuck?
Who? I don't know, they're trying to figure that out. It's gonna be.
Bro, we were
deferred, I
just
think,
talking
with
about
he wants it deferred
muffins.
with
Why
a-
would you even
an
say
agreement at the
that?
end That he can get it expunged if he makes it through the
Actual
deferred.
fuck. That does make it sound lucky, right, Loud? Also,
So I
you know
just
what,
show up.
Loud, just you being
Well, let
here
me ask you
reminds
that
I
on
need to
that
make mushroom
expungement. I mean,
ketchup.
is that's a judge's call correctly, right? Isn't
It
it?
is,
At
but
the end?
you can agree to not having any objections to it.
Oh, yeah,
Say,
I understand.
That's all we can do. Can't agree to.
Okay.
Huh?
Actually, that's what
On
I
which
should give
one?
as part of the gift is the homemade
On
mushroom
the one that
ketchup
Justin had? Yeah.
with the homemade crackers, the nice cheese.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, it's like injury 12, Dolphins, child, big serious.
Accoutrement, if you will. The
Maybe no
accoutrement.
less than put it, so don't go anything yet. Huh?
Accoutrement. Homemade accoutrement.
Okay.
Hey, another thing, a word to the wise. Do y'all ever, on your phones, do you use that app with the locator in the event you lost your phone? You
Oh no, what kind of boomer ass shit is he about to come up with right now? This is a conversation I have had with Nana. I guarantee it. This is this is what he's about to say. Did you know that they can follow you wherever you go and that somebody else can log in? I almost guarantee you that's what he's going to say. If he doesn't, well, I'll smoke some more weed. And if he does, I'll smoke some more weed too.
could find it.
Find out.
I went through that experience, not with my phone, but with somebody else's this past weekend. Located at a location, wasn't there. And then found out that it's close. That's all that app can do is get close. And
Now one of my kids got stolen. It showed it was at an apartment complex. I went to the apartment complex, looked around where it said it was, and ended up going in a wooded area back behind it. Thrown it over the fence and found it. Get you close enough.
yeah, well, that was close enough. And I think it's close, but it's not, it was at a building at a car dealership. And then the next time, that was all day on Sunday and went on check-in on Monday and wasn't there. And then it was still showing at that location. And then the next day it showed at Best Buy. So
I've got these little trackers.
That's what's so frustrating. You know, you think, oh, you can track it and great, but it's not like television or what the police are able to do,
Oh
the
my
devices
God.
they
So,
have. I mean,
wait, I was wrong. He's actually pro tracking and he wants even better geo tracking. I was totally wrong. He's not against it. It's the opposite. He wants them to be honed in even further. What the fuck? Oh, Judge. What a docket. What a fucking docket.
we can look.
But can't you make it make a sound? But there's a way.
I don't know.
Make a sound. If the phone's on, I think you make it make a sound.
Yeah, you can sound
What
off
we
the
did
alarm.
is killed it off.
They can't kill it off.
We just terminated it completely and took all its
We terminated it.
and
We took all its memories, we terminated it via the cloud, and it is now dead to us. It's dead to us.
but those new phones, if you replace a phone, it's costly. It's costly. And fortunately, the previous phone, we hadn't had this in long, and the previous phone still had it. So we resurrected that and didn't have to pay.
Oh, yeah.
It just replaced it with that unit that we had from the same unit. So, thank goodness. So that's another thing is if you replace your phone, keep your old phone just in case, because if you lose your phone, you can use the other one, bring it out of the dugout, out of the bullpen and put it back in the game.
Can I start?
All right, we ready?
Struggle
Hook something?
101 with Judge Stevens. If you happen to get fucked over, you could use an old phone. Never occurred to me before, folks. Never even kept them. I just put them in the garbage. I had no clue that they had any value after I was done with them. The privilege is showing, Judge. Your privilege is showing.
I'm getting fingerprints now, Judge, and then I've sent.
Eric Ariana?
We're not ready yet, Judge. I've sent the paperwork over to Mike.
Give us 2 seconds, Judge.
Well, he left town.
He may be in the back.
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the true stuff you got?
Yes.
Whenever she orders, I do it. I don't care who she's talking to. She says, raise your right hand, I'll raise it.
Yeah, hang on,
Okay.
right here.
Me
Just have a
too, Judge. Even in public, actually, it's gotten a little bit weird. Sometimes
Okay, that's
I
Mr.
just
Ariana.
listen
Sir,
to
I'm just
court
waiting
on
on
the
the
go,
paperwork.
raising my right hand, people thinking, what the fuck is she talking about?
Where'd it go? Who is it, please? Is it Mike?
Mike?
You go with mine.
Ariana?
It's sitting
Ariana?
in front of me. It's not mine, but I'll do it. I got the cameras.
Okay. All right, come on up. 25 CR 634. Eric Benito Ariano. That's you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Present with Mr. Mitchell?
Yes, sir.
Your attorney and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Judge.
In summary, this indictment alleges, sir, that on or about December 18th, of last year, 2024, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the third degree felony of deadly conduct, discharge of a firearm. Do you understand what you're charged with here, sir?
Yes, sir.
It's almost a year.
Judge.
Uh,
And if you remember correctly, Judge, this is the one where he's also being charged with the family violence from the same incident.
Let me just tell you, I've got 5,000 cases.
You probably don't.
If you tell me to remember one, it's going to be hard unless I'm dealing with it immediately.
I understand. This is one, Mr. Ham, is the prosecutor on the case, and you had asked us if it was a double jeopardy issue because of the misdemeanor. We agree it's not because the bullet inside the home hit the neighbor's house.
Okay.
That's the reason we'd be asking for 5 years on deferred.
All right. This is a third degree felony. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Which means you face no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached where you would be pleading guilty, placed on, but not found guilty, placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation. This can be up to 10 years in length. Do you understand what the potential is?
Yes, sir.
The fine would be $500, and there would be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for the circumstances of this offense. Is that your understanding of the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this charge, sir? Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty. Hold on, now we're speaking over each other. Go ahead. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes, sir.
I'll show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents all true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence,
No objection.
and without objection, it is admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made.
Ciao,
You know what you've been
Bella.
charged?
Last night I had Caesar salad. No, 2 nights ago I had Caesar salad for dinner. Last night I had, what did I have? Oh, a salmon bowl, salmon, rice, avocado, butter, or not butternut, delicata squash, a little bit of Kewpie mayo, some Japanese barbecue sauce, delicious, and some seaweed on top. It was so good. Yeah, Twitchy. I'm working on it. I think. Actually, I'm mostly ignoring it, but we're ignoring it together. And Judge is helping us out. Been talking about muffin tops. Pretty crazy shit tonight. Also making me want to make muffin tops, which I probably will tonight. Oh. That's right, I do have one thing to do later.
With the indictment read to you, you've read it. You're agreeing with this length of time?
I don't have any objections, Judge.
You
agree.
are,
Fair enough.
well, I lost my train of thought there when Mike does that to me. It's some psychological thing he pulls that throws me
Maybe
off.
we can work together.
You're mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses, and you are totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
State's
Oh, no, all
Exhibit
good.
1 is made a
I'm
part of the
fine.
record for all
No
purposes.
worries.
Pre-sentence report waived.
Yes, Judge.
I'm going to follow this agreement. If nothing further, I will find, sir, you are pleading guilty voluntarily. You are mentally competent to do so. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. Even though there's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, I am instead going to defer or postpone any finding of guilt so long as you follow the terms and conditions of probation that you're in this probation order. The probation officer will go over them with you. Please follow those. If you fail, your probation can be revoked. Then you could be found guilty and sentenced up to 10 years in prison. So you got to be careful. And these 90% of these conditions of probation are what your lawyer and I have to do. Follow it, like don't commit a crime, obey the rules, you know, the kinds of things
Easy
that
shit, basically.
we all should do. And those are
I need
good
another
things to
drink.
be mindful of. You have more to lose than we do, though, if you fail. So get with the probation office, sign those, and you can begin probation.
Thank you, Judge. Sir.
You're very welcome.
Be dismissed.
Yes,
Judge.
sir.
Thank you.
And John will, 5 years. It's probated for 5 years. Okay, we have Jones and Landry. Okay, now we got a prosecutor. Great. What do you do? Do you have something? For who? Good luck.
Monday, Thursday, Friday.
I don't know why we're putting GPS devices on the defendants. We need them on the prosecutors.
We need them on the phones better. Oh, ha, ha, ha.
I could use them. You know, that means.
Hello, William.
All right. It's time for me to bring in the jury, but y'all try to get what you can do. Wow.
Bring in the jury. William, is that why you're here?
Yes, thanks, Kendall. Everybody be very careful out there on the roadway. We're getting some bad accidents out on the freeways around in Southeast Texas.
Grandpa John
Another bad
says
one
drive
was on
safe.
35 yesterday. Then we had something on 10 the day before. Here, not far from us. Yeah, but those were really bad. Yeah.
Just over in the jet. Just fill up the jet and you know.
So you just
You know, one
have
hundred.
and deferred. Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
I'm a side of that.
Is it 13? No, this is.
Yeah.
Erica got banned that day too, Bill. It was a bad day for everybody. It was terrible. Cellulite yoga pants. Everybody had a bad day that day.
I've got 2 cases left, right? And it looks like they're going to be pleas on these 2.
Just gonna be a plea, Judge. I'm still trying to.
I've got Jones and Smith. Smith and Jones. Jones and Smith.
Judge, maybe
Smith
we
and
get-
Jones, the 2 most common names. Yeah,
Maybe a first on Smith. Smith, Cameron Smith.
what about him?
Ms. Moore and I are working on a potential resolution. She needs a little more time to contact the complainants involved in the case. So if we could just have another 3 to 4 weeks to
I
try
just-
to figure that
I'll do
out.
one more. Come on. Yeah, y'all know what you want to do. Can you do it in one
Well-
more? I'd like some of these to be done before Christmas so that we can, because next week's our last week, a full week.
Yes, sir. That's
We can do
fine.
that and put people don't have to, especially victims as well as defendants, don't have to worry about it if it's going to be disposed of by an agreement.
Sure.
All right, yeah, that's what it is important. A lot of them don't like stressing over the holidays when it's, if it can be done. So
That's why you too should
Let's try
order
to
your
work that way,
Costco
I'll do it a
meal.
week from today.
That'll work,
Hashtag not a
Judge.
sponsor.
What's our last day? Friday?
It's the 19th. Miss Minaldi's already here that day
On Friday.
on the 19th.
Okay,
So if we could do that day, Judge.
all
that
right,
would be-
good. Thanks. Don't be gone.
You might have to put a GPS
We're gonna
device
do our
on you,
little
Judge.
happy party.
You better be careful what you
Can we
ask.
add a row 7? Can we add like a garlic? Make it ! garlic, and then the link to row 7 cellulite yoga pants, possibly. As a reminder, my hat is from row 7, where I went and had dinner on one of my trips. And where did it go? I came home with this special food. Oh, there it is. There's the package, the sweet garlic in the tin. And it's a mixture between garlic and leek. So I'm sure Cellulite Yoga Pants will post. Oh, perfect. Hashtag not a sponsor. Yeah, but they had really good food. Christopher Engelby, we love to see it, my friend. Hi.
Okay, so I'm gonna reach out to.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
It's just meant to sign. Thank you.
Yep.
You put out silence today? Yes, you would.
But I will send you that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I have that call, please?
Which one?
That's.
Thanks, can you shut up?
We got Smith and Jones, the 2 most common names.
Sorry, I'd like Smith, please.
Uh,
Thank you.
That's the most.
Oh, by the way, my sister requested a movie marathon on Christmas Eve at the house. But do you know what movie she wanted to watch? What did she ask for first?
Okay, actually, yeah,
I have 3
I'll grab it as
sisters.
soon as I get done in there, Jamie.
If you're hurt, I'll help you out. If you're not, and you're not here, not come here. That's the one. After I discovered it's not like I know we do like a federal cop. Yeah.
You have to imagine my sister was born in
Yeah, grab our color.
1990. Cellulite yoga pants. Got it. Home Alone.
Thank you.
We're gonna sleep over at her house this year. That's gonna be fun. I'm so excited.
I'm looking, I don't have my glasses, so I'm looking at the screen. What's good?
Judge is dreaming
Ask
about
five, like,
muffin
like-
tops. I almost said mushroom tops. Inappropriate. I mean, I almost said it and then I did say it. So what does that say about me?
Days my dyslexia is not what keeps me.
Don't make fun of his disability. He has dyslexia.
Were you reading that or that statement you just made?
My, every now and then, my daughter had it really bad. Every now and then mine kicks in and I'll say December 10th, 2012, and I'll write down December 12th, 2010, just the biggest, just got one in the head. So, now back in the day, they just said, do it right. That's your medication.
That
You
would
go-
clear you up.
That was your
That would
medication.
clear you up.
That's your medication. Dyslexia, ADHD, just slap it to calm down.
Later they found out that that was caused by getting hit in the back of the head too often.
Yeah,
That's what caused it.
yeah. Well, it was. You
might want to give the jury
Did he just say that? That it was caused by getting hit in the back of the head?
information, my best guess.
Is that what we're ready for? Is that what's gonna be?
That's.
Next.
That's-
Oh, that's-
Yes, sir.
So they told them to the law.
John. Okay, just. It's the last one, thank you.
How we doing, Dustin? Good?
We're doing pretty good, Judge. I mean, it's just been like a chill night so far. It's actually like almost 6. Yeah, we're doing okay.
What's that? What me?
I'm gonna go. Okay, on the trial,
Yes, sir.
we're gonna need a hearing.
We gotta do the
About how long do you think this will take?
We've got 2 witnesses for you to hear, so I don't imagine less than 30 minutes.
All right, I'm gonna go tell the jury then to stand down because we still have a plea to do and then 30 more minutes so that they're just not sitting there blaming me.
Yeah, actually, that's actually a good pause point for us to. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Look at us perfectly rounding out 1 hour. That's all I said I would do, and look at us doing it, not a minute more. So thank you so much for being with me tonight. I appreciate it. I don't know if I'll be back tomorrow. We'll see. I just can't guarantee. But in the meantime, do me a favor. Remember that I love you and I'm proud of you. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Oh, today's Grammar School's birthday.
Wisdom.